Very good morning, children. Welcome to the class SST class 10th. Children, as you know, our chapter is going on lifeline of national economy, and we have completed yesterday means of transports, how it was transport from one country to the other, and today the topics which we are going to take, that is state highway. Now listen carefully, and all of you, first of all I would like to tell you that you have to join the Google classes and always put your present in your Google class. Is it clear? And I am not going to remind you again and again, so be careful, and you have to put your attendance where? In the Google classroom, and all should be present and all should be listen very carefully. It is very important and for the coming of the board exam. And note down all the questions which I am taking which I am taking in Google class, or which I am asking. Is it clear? It's not matter of all, some of the students were putting in WhatsApp group, so you should not put in WhatsApp group. You have to straightway join at 8 o'clock in the morning for the Google classes, and code every time I am sending you. Even some of the children are putting the present in your WhatsApp group, but you have to put in your Google classes. It is very important for your 75% of the attendance is very important, and if your attendance is not completed, then you are not permitted to sit in the board exam. So be attentive and don't be very careless. Is it clear? Okay, let us start the topic, state highway. As you know, the state highway, the roads are linking a state capital with the different district headquarters are known as a state highway. What is state highway? State highway उसे कहते हैं जो roads link करती हैं state capital से, उस राजधानी से, with the different district, अलग अलग डिस्ट्रिक्ट से, अलग अलग ज़िले से, हेडक्वार्टर्स आर नोन एज द स्टेट हाईवे. ये जो रोड्स है जो कंस्ट्रक्टेड हो रही हैं, दे मेंटेन बाय द स्टेट ऑफ द पब्लिक वर्क डिपार्टमेंट, दैट इज PWD. इस रोड्स को कौन मेंटेन करता है? PWD इन द स्टेट एंड द यूनियन टेरिटरी. हु कंप्लीट दिस roads and who has to do this work and whose department of this PWD is the department of the road maintaining of this road maintaining and constructing the maintaining by the state public work, that is department of the PWD in the state union territories. District roads जो हैं, these roads are connect district headquarters से connect करती हैं with the other places जो कि दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट से जुड़ती हैं, दूसरे जिलों से जुड़ती हैं. तो इस रोड्स को मेंटेन्ड बाय द ज़िला परिषद. ये जो रोड्स हैं इसको मेंटेन कौन करता है? ज़िला परिषद. तो फर्स्ट मैंने क्या समझाया था कि दिस स्टेट हाईवे, जो स्टेट हाईवे रोड्स हैं, तो इट वाज मेंटेन बाय द स्टेट पब्लिक, दैट इज स्टेट पब्लिक डिपार्टमेंट, दैट इज PWD. PWD हैज़ टू मेंटेन द roads in the union territories, and in district roads are maintained by the Zilla Parishad. Understand? Who maintain the district roads? District roads are maintained by the Zilla Parishad. This much you understand? I hope so. Other roads, जो दूसरी roads हैं, like rural roads हैं, विच आर लिंक इन रूरल एरियाज, जो रूरल एरिया से जुड़ती हैं, जहाँ गांव से निकलती हुई जाती हैं, जहाँ गांव से टाउन तक जाती हैं, आर अंडर द कैटेगरी, दिस रोड्स आर इनपुट्स ऑफ द प्रधानमंत्री स्पेशल, प्रधानमंत्री डेट इज ग्रामीण साधक योजना. तो दिस स्कीम्स आर स्पेशल. इट वॉज मेड बाई एवरी विलेज इन द कंट्री. हर village, जो हर गांव है in the country is linked the major town to the country by all the season and metropolitan roads, and these I am talking about the roads. Now one questions if I raise for it, that define the trade. जो कल मैंने टॉपिक समझाया था, define the trade, that should you know what is trade. It is exchange of food service. It is the exchange of the food service among the people, state, countries is called a trade. Again I am telling you, exchange of foods and service among the people, state countries is known as trade. You have to note down this question in your fair notebook. National highway are 7 link. Which are they? They are Varanasi and to Kanyakumari, जो link करती है. And जो border roads हैं, border roads कौन सी होती हैं? District road, you understand? District roads, state highway, district roads, other roads. State roads link state capital with the different district. Understand? And it was maintained by whom it was constructed and maintained by the, it was constructed and maintained by the public work department. It was the work of the PWD. ये सारा काम किसका होता है? PWD वालों का. अंडरस्टैंड? इन दी स्टेट यूनियन टेरेटरी में. लेकिन जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड्स हैं, ये जो रोड कनेक्ट कहाँ से होती हैं, कहाँ से जुड़ती हैं, कहाँ से निकलती हैं, कौन से ज़िले तक जाती हैं, तो दीज रोड्स आर कनेक्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर तक जाती हैं विद द अदर प्लेसेस ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट, एक ज़िले से दूसरे ज़िले तक. इज इट क्लियर? एंड दीज रोड्स आर मेंटेन बाय हुम? These roads are maintained by the Zilla Parshad. Remember that these roads are maintained by the Zilla Parshad. Which roads? District roads. District roads are maintained by the Zilla Parshad. Is it clear? और जो गाँव से निकलती हैं कुछ रोड्स और शहरों तक मिलती हैं, तो दैट रोड्स आर रूरल, उसको हम रूरल रोड्स कहते हैं, जिनका लिंक जुड़ा होता है उस एरिया से, उस गांव से, उस विलेज से और उस शहर तक. तो ये कैटेगरी आती है उस रोड में जहाँ पे प्रधानमंत्री ग्रीन संदोक योजना शुरू होती है अंडर द स्कीम ऑफ द स्पेशल प्रोविजन दैट इज मेड बाय एवरी विलेज इन द कंट्री. इज इट क्लियर? एंड ये लिंक करती है उन बड़े टाउन्स में इन द कंट्री बाय एन ऑल द सीजन एंड मोटरेबल रोड्स. दीज आर द मोटरेबल roads. Is it clear, children? Revise the lesson and do it well and read this topic. Is it clear? And whatever I am asking, you have note down in your fair notebook. And Google class, whatever question I am asking, children, very few children are giving answer, and they are not only 3, 4, 5 are giving answer. What about the other students? Those are watching the videos. It means you are very careless in watching the videos. You are very careless and attentive, and you are not attending the class regularly. I hope they are not attending, most of the children. So please join the class, Google class. It is for your benefit, for your coming exam of the board exam. Is it clear? Okay, see you by the tomorrow.